the jewelry world, there are a number of different tools that can help us with finishing a product and the final polish. So you might have heard of like an ultrasonic cleaner to help remove some of the different polishing compounds or debris like that. But have you ever heard of an ultrasonic polisher? It works very differently. Hi, I'm Melissa Muir, and in this video I have partnered with Gesswein to bring you some more information about ultrasonic polishers. There really is not a lot of information about those, so I'm actually going to do a series of videos. So let's jump in and see what this machine is all about and what it comes with. Now, most often used for tool and die making, the ultrasonic polisher makes very fast work of cleaning up EDM scale or electrical discharge machining. Ultrasonic polishing and burnishing harnesses high-frequency, low-amplitude ultrasonic technology to allow it to reach the most intricate places, leaving an extremely bright and burnished surface. When crossing over into the jewelry industry, the ultrasonic polisher makes rust, burr mark, rough casting surface, and even grow line removal a snap. When used with a wide range of accessories, the polisher makes getting into the tightest places simple. The UltraMax Mini Ultrasonic Polishing System is designed to work on gold, silver, and other soft jewelry metals. It comes with the most commonly used accessories, including 4 ceramic stones in various grits, 6 diamond-coated files, also in various grits, and a mirror-finished 2mm carbide tip. It also has 4 tool holders for each of those accessories, and it includes a tool changing rack, the handpiece cradle, a foot pedal, a hex wrench, as well as a spanner wrench. Now, because I do not have any accessories installed in the handpiece right now, if I turn this on, it's actually going to beep at me. What happens is when you turn the machine on, it automatically adjusts the power to whichever accessory you have in place. So whenever you're switching your different accessories, you'll need to turn the machine off and then back on. If the accessory is tightened too much, it can cause the handpiece to get hot and make a lot of noise. If the accessory is too loose, the vibration will cause the stone or accessory to come out and maybe even change positions while you are using it. It will take a little bit of playing with the machine to get those settings just right, but the more you use them, you will be able to figure it out quite easily. To change the length of the stroke, turn the dial. The light in the upper right-hand corner will change from green to yellow to orange, and finally to red to indicate a shorter or longer stroke. So this tool harnesses high-frequency, low-amplitude ultrasonic technology. And to tell you quite honestly, the sound of it is quite reminiscent of having your teeth cleaned at the dentist with an ultrasonic cleaning tool. It's great, and there's no way to get away from that sound. It's just there. When you are looking at the tool, it is reciprocating very, very, very fast, up to 22,000 strokes per second. Okay, not per minute, but per second. So not only is that reciprocating motion happening extremely fast, but it is super small, from 3 to 40 microns. So you're not going to really ever see anything until you actually start touching items, and all of a sudden, the magic happens. The slightest touch on the metal will show you just how well this machine is working, as imperfections are erased and then you are left with a smoother surface. These stones can be reshaped for working in really tight areas or around hard to reach spots. They can be shaped with dressing stones, diamond hones, or different wheels. The ceramic stones come in 2 different shapes. There's cylinder and flat. You can make them sharp or round or whatever shape is needed for the job that you're working on. So to try this out, I grabbed a rusty and pitted railroad stake. I've been holding on to this with the intention of making it into a small stake. Using a 1000 grit ceramic stone, the surface was cleared of bumps and rust very quickly. With a little more time and very little effort, the surface could be smooth, blemish-free, and polished. Next, I grabbed a bronze ring casting fresh from the casting and cleaning process. It had not yet even been tumbled and still has a slightly bumpy surface. Using a 1200 grit red flat ceramic stone held at about a 45-degree angle, the surface is smoothed right before my eyes. This is not a high polish finish, but a certainly pre-polished surface. Since it was flat, I started with the sides on the ring, and then I moved to the prongs. Using the diamond hone, I shaped the stone to a sharp point that then allowed me to get into the head and prong junctions just a little easier than with any other tool I have. When I want a mirror polish, nothing beats the carbide tip, and it gets into the very finest areas. It seems to take no more effort than simply touching the surface, and it is transformed from a soft finish to a mirror polish. Now this was just an introduction to the tool. There's a lot that this can do, and as I said at the beginning of the video, I'm going to make a whole series on this. So be sure you subscribe, ring that bell, and mark that you want all notifications so you don't miss the next in the series. We'll talk about each of the different accessories and how they can be used in jewelry applications or others. As always, if you have any questions at all, just drop those down in the comment section and we'll be sure to get back to you. We'll see you guys next time.